morning. We survived the night. We're trying to pack everything up now before the rain comes. The geese here are insane. They're all f***ed off now, but all night they were squeaking. They was right there, right up on the shore there this morning, and everywhere. Couple still down there swimming. But we're trying to hurry and get her all geared up now before the rain comes. Let's see what this day brings. Ooh. Crow. Well, we're all packed up. Didn't beat the rain, got soaked. So now we're leaving. Shoot O'Tired. It's Goose Falls, not Gull. And we're soaked, but we'll see what the day brings. We're not sure if we're going, what the f we're doing. Beautiful spot here.
Highly recommend it.
Highly recommend it. There was no one there because we were here before the season. They let us in for a night. Sweat the dit last night in tent. Then it was a little chilly. Then it was warm. It was pretty good. Tent was great. Had a few little something they never put the Velcro around the leg, was it? And I put a little tear up on one of the sides. And we got a bit of crew suit. But besides that, perfect night. And all you could hear was the f***ing loons or geese, canned the geese the whole night, squawking and talking, and pretty cool. And that was a shit day. But anyway, let's see where the f we're going to. Oh, the shitter worked perfect. Yes, sir. Well, we made it to day 2. We're in Tadoussac. Tadoussac. There before the ferry goes across. And what's the name of this place? Can you remember? The Dunes or some shit. Anyway, I meant to get a fucking video putting the tent up, but it was fucking pouring. And we hurried and got it up. And a lot better this time. Within 5 minutes, we had her erected. And Chachi's in there lighting the fire, burning away. And it just stopped raining now, and I'm soaked. But not a bad spot, up in the middle of the woods. No leaves, all the leaves are gone, pretty bare. All birch trees, which is nice, I suppose. The fire is blazing. Now, a master knotsmith showed me how to do this. Master of knot making, millwright extraordinaire, woodworker, a sawyer now. He showed me, an ex-firefighter showed me how to make these slip knots. Took me 14 tries, but I did it. Yeah, it slides up or something. I'm so proud of me knot. Oh. Anyway, we're made, we live, bit wet, but that's it. Okay.
You're steaming.
Yeah, it's hot in there now. She's steaming off.
You want this on video?
Yeah, now we do. We got the fire going, and we don't need a sauna. We're f***ing dying.
You are. I'm loving it.
So, on the way, we stopped to the liquor store. And we got some trailer park boys. Bubbles. Orange tabby. Let's see what this shit is like. What? Orange creamsicle. I got shit all over you stuff.
And yourself.
Oh, that's God.
You're tripping her.
Oh, we're good. Oh. Well, not bad. Turns you into bubbles. Oh, it's so fucking hot here. Oh, it must be.
You should have took a thermometer.
Yeah. What the temperatures I know from hills, not close. But anyway, I'm gonna try myself and enjoy a nice bubbles orange tappy creamsicle. It's like what was it? Creamsicle buried treasure and ice cream. Not bad. Pretty good. That wrong button. First meal in the tent, Chachi. Some cheddar sausages, is this?
Yep.
Cheddar smokies and some Wagyu beef burgers. Probably tastes like shit, but we're gonna find out in a little bit. Anyway. So yeah. Got to have the Brussels sprouts and the asparaguses. It's gonna stink tonight. Yoo-hoo. Well, she's all cooked up. I don't know what it's gonna be like, but it looks delicious. Asparagus, sausages, Wagyu burger, and my favorite Brussels sprouts. And a ice cold iceberg vodka, iceberg beer from 10 million year old house off Kitty Bitty. Anyway, this is gonna be my good.